So my old system has been around since the 1980s, and we didn't have AC at all. It was just an old furnace. So as you can imagine, over the last few years, as the summers continue to get hotter, there will be more and more days where it was just unbearable. Well, technically, because I didn't have AC, it's not a direct comparison.
Like a furnace.
Oh yeah, in terms of furnace. We haven't tried out the furnace yet because it's summertime. But overall, the house is pretty quiet, even with the AC on. We can go to sleep, no problem, running the AC at 100%. No difficulties. It was very easy to use. I especially like the Nest thermostats. So I was already a customer, and with the new installation, I got a second one on my for the second floor, and everything was well integrated into the Google Home setup. Yes, I think it took the guys about 5 days to complete. I think a permit was requested for the panel, but not for the HVAC system. Yes, definitely. Very professional, very knowledgeable, answered a lot of detailed questions I had about the system setup, and he was also able to modify the quote based on my request. Yep, yeah, they arrived on time. They were very professional and very responsible too. For example, when they were installing the pipes in the attic, they clean up the areas where they were working at. I think it's a combination of good communication, very solid work, and yeah, I think doing things on time, just being professional. I found Hvac through Yelp, and I interviewed actually 4 or 5 different vendors for this job, and Hvac eventually won out, and I've been very happy with that decision. Yeah, I think I had a really good impression with the salesperson who gave me the quote, the estimate, and also before that, the first job I hired Hvac to do was my electric panel upgrade. So I did that first, and 2 guys came in, and they did it in 1 day, exactly as they told me. And I just felt like the quality of work was good. The guys were easy to talk to, and so I hired you guys for the HVAC system. It took them 1 day. Yeah, the Hvac technicians actually took care of the permits, which is the way I like it. And I think on the morning when they took out the old panel, before they took out the old panel, the city inspector came in and they cut the cable, cut the wire, so they could start working on it. And then the inspector came in the afternoon to make sure that everything was up to code, and then we got power before the evening starts. So everything was completed in the day.
You just was disconnected from morning to evening.
That's right. It was easy. The online system you guys used allowed me to view the quote and also just click accept in the email, and then that confirmed the job. Yeah, I think it's a combination of a few things. First of all, the salesperson was very knowledgeable, very professional. He answered my questions about the scope of the work, the timeline, as well as the price. So I got a really good impression.